Hey there YouTube, just taking you on one of my other hobbies I guess, a couple of them actually. One would be fishing, love me fishing, and I guess the other one is cooking. I don't mind doing a bit of cooking around the place. As you can see, towing my boat at the moment, and I'm off to get some squid. Alright, I'll see you shortly. Bye. also caught a couple of squid the other day, or yesterday. So I've cleaned them, and we mainly just use the tubes. So pat them dry. And clean off any small bits left on there, the slimy bits. From there, just to get these ready, what I do is lightly spoil them. Don't have to press very hard at all. Just run the knife across. And the other way as well. And I just come down the middle to make them a bit more manageable. And slice. Turn this into salt and pepper squid. This is the way I do it, not necessarily the way it tells you to do it in the recipe books or anything. But my wife and I both like it done like this, so. Alright, so that straight into a bowl there. Next one, exactly the same. Don't use too much pressure when you do that, otherwise you'll just cut straight through the calamari tube. I actually keep the tentacles for bait, so don't eat those. Let's bait for some fish. Some people like to marinate their calamari with kiwi fruit to tenderise it. Pays not to do it for too long. Certainly I wouldn't leave it overnight. But a couple of hours is okay. Lemon juice, it's probably not quite as strong, but tenderises it. I've done that overnight. Righto, so that's the calamari. Prepped up, ready to go. Ingredients for I'll make it a bit of a batter to start with. So this, I actually like curry, so there's a bit of curry powder there. It's corn flour. At 3 very heaped teaspoons of corn flour, 1 heaped teaspoon of curry, and about a teaspoon each of ground black pepper. I have actually got a bit of white pepper in there as well, and salt. So it all ends up in there. And then I just mix it with a bit of milk. Just to make a bit of a batter out of it. little lumps in that. I'll be alright shortly. Alright, and just a coating. I'll just put it all into a bag, and this is self-raising flour. It's about half a cup. More salt and pepper. There's brown black pepper and white pepper, and more curry. You might think there's a lot of curry there, but it's not really. Once you coat it, it's very little. And mix all that around. Readiness. Okay. Alright, so that's fairly well mixed. And goes the calamari. And just make sure it's all coated. Okay, so then I'll just do it in small batches. Here, grab some of it out, put it in. Then it's just a matter of shaking it about, making sure everything's coated. It's just a matter of shallow frying in small batches. Okay. Calamari doesn't take very long at all to cook. Just got to make sure that the oil's warm enough that it makes it all crispy. And I'll bother showing you all the batches that I'm doing. I'll pause it there and come back in a moment. So, bon appetit, like, comment and subscribe.